The vivid yellow of the rapeseed fields in the UK in April, and the most incredible backdrop for birds and for stunning pictures of hares as they run through the channels. But it's not for the faint-hearted. With 5 or 6 hours lying in a tractor rut, a butterfly or a bug can be a highlight worth photographing. But as always, blending in and patience can yield results. I see a hare. It waits at a crossroads. Will it come my way? Yes, 60 yards out, time to concentrate hard. At 40 yards, another pause. Brow the hill, the rapeseed framing, and the distant yellow background is just perfection. A third pause and a chance to take some video of this wonderful animal as he gallops towards me. Leverets are born ready and they're mobile from birth. This young one is coming right towards me and showing no signs of stopping. In fact, it gets so close that I can't frame it with the camera. Finally, it stops, 10 feet away, and a human eye sends it back on its way. Thanks, you made my day.